I think that for a perfect portrait you need a perfect look, a perfect lens, a perfect light, and love. I need to have love. I just want to have emotion. I don't want actors. I want as they are, but beautiful. I used that 85mm 1.2 for 25 years. With the AF it was perfect. With this one it's just amazing. I have to have control of the face, of the look, of the eyes. Eyes are my language. They say that 85mm is only for portrait. I don't think so. To shoot everything with one lens, you just have to change the distance. The thing I'm looking for is to have the subject separate from the background. I love to work in difficult light and no light, and 1.2 is my aperture. If you look to the scene, it seems impossible. There is a complete backlight, but look, it's crazy.
You happy?
Yes. When I tell a story, every scene is a word. And I need a lot of words to tell the real story.